Yes, just like that. Good morning, everybody. Now we are here in Lapland. This is a place called Luosto, and my dear has a dream to see snow. And originally our plan was stay here and go walk to hike a road called Juomalammen kierros. It's in Pyhätunturi, but weather prognosis has changed, and now it says that today here it will be raining water, and water is not exotic for my dear. So today we will put our cars direction to north, and we will go more north, and we have a chance to see snow. Let's hope, let's go, and let's hope that we will see snow. Let's
so beautiful. They're female. Oh, they're female deer. Yeah, female reindeer. Oh, but they're afraid deer, no? They don't want maybe other people.
Yes.
But they're not so afraid that they run.
No.
Okay, let's go and find another reindeer.
Okay, now we are in place called Sodankylä. It's quite north already, but no snow. So we must continue our trip to the north. Let's see where we will find snow finally.
Look at guys, it's now snowing here and I'm so happy. It's my first time to see snow. And oh, it's really mixed emotions. It makes me cry. Because of course it's my dream. I mean, it's not my dream, but I usually see snow on screen, movie, and it's really beautiful to see, and I cannot imagine that I experience it right now finally. Dagan na kay snow. Bato kami sa unahan sa destination. Kaya ang forecast nag-snow dito. On the way, oh, dagan na kay snow. Wow! Naka-experience na kong snow.
Okay, now we finally did find snow. This is a place called Tankavaara here in near Ivala, near Saariselkä, and here we have snow. Yes. Here we did find snow.
Wow, I can't believe it. I thought we cannot see snow. I can't imagine that there's a place here that's snowing. I want to do like that. It's okay to like that.
Yes.
But it's not so cold, huh? Even if it's snowing.
No, it's not.
It's not cold.
No.
Huh?
It's about 0 degrees.
It's not freezing.
No.
I'm here in the snow country. People of the Philippines. I finally experienced snow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, you have beautiful country here. Your country is very beautiful. It has many wonders, and its weather gives experience. Beautiful experience. This is real snow. This is not fake, huh? Real.
Yes.
Real snow. It's amazing. I now experience weather in Finland. Only the spring not.
Yes.
It's so beautiful. Kokili. Oh, the kokili bird. We arrive in Saariselkä. Are they right? It's white.
Now we are here in the Saariselkä. This is shopping center Kuukkeli in Saariselkään. As you can see, here also we have snow. So we are in snow country now, we can say like that. And I'm very happy that I was able to find snow for my deer. She was able to experience this finally. Now we will go into shop and we will buy something to eat, and after that we will go around and see environment. Now we have really real snowing here. It's real snowflakes are coming down from the sky. It's really snowing. This is how it is in winter time. Earlier it was very wet, but now it's a little more dry, and the flakes are bigger. It's snowing big flakes. No.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, it's not cold, guys. It's a matter of clothing.
Yes, it's matter of clothing. Yes, just like that. Okay, still. Now when we have made our snowman, we will make a snow angel. This is very traditional thing to do in snow. This we did also do this very often when we were child. There's a
It's nice.
Because now there's so little snow, the shape is not the same than it's when there's more. But this is the principle how to do it.
Oh, how to do it up there?
A snow angel.
Oh.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, when when there's more snow, your body form will be shown, and then you make like this, and
it's
then
like wings.
Yes, like wings, and then your head also will be shown, and it looks just like a picture of angel.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yes.
Why it doesn't?
Because it's so little snow now. Here would be your body like that, and then of course there will be your head here will be shown, and then your here will this will be more visible all, and then it would look like almost like angel.
Really?
Yes. That was what we did do in when we were child.